Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change Wi-Fi password in ASUS ZEN WiFi XT9. Watch the full video and I will show you two methods how to do this. For method number one, I hope you have ASUS Router application in your smartphone. If you don't, I strongly recommend you to install it and connect your ASUS XT9 device to the application. So how to change the password there? You need to open the application, then tap on this Wi-Fi icon over here, staying on the home screen, and then tap in the middle of the screen. Now you can see your network name and password somewhere here. Here is the network name and network key is your password. So type on this eye icon, then hit this field, delete your old password, type in a new one, then hit done and apply your changes. Now your devices will be disconnected from the network because the password is new and you have to reconnect them from scratch one by one. So hit OK to confirm your action. It's apply in settings. And once this pop-up disappeared, open your Wi-Fi settings in your smartphone. Let's open Wi-Fi settings. Then find your network once again. If you are iOS user, hit I icon, forget this network, because on Android devices you can just change password. On iPhone you need to forget the network, then find it once again, hit here and connect with your new password. And the second method is change your password from the web interface. To do this, connect your computer to your ASUS Router network, then open any web browser and in the search bar type in the router's IP address. By default, it looks like this: 192.168.50.1. Then hit the enter key on your keyboard and it takes you to login page. You need to enter your username and password. Then sign in as administrator and find wireless section. If you see the screen, just hit OK. Scroll down, agree to the terms and conditions. And now you need to find wireless section over here. And here is your network name and here is your password. So what you need is do the same as on your smartphone. Delete the old password, enter a new one and reconnect your device. Actually, that's pretty it. If that was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, leave a comment below and be awesome. Bye guys.